We're killing the Earth, and that's really fun. No one believes us because we are young. Our forces are burning to ash in a second. Ask California, they'll tell you about it. They'll tell you how big they have lost all the phones. Trump turns a blind eye and tweets on his phone. Global warming for the last time. This is not a joke. Our factories are working and toxins emitting. Our house in our quiz is crumbling, and no, we won't stop putting the chemicals in what we're trying to breathe. Our future is stolen, and we are the thieves. The sea levels are rising, the atmosphere is melting, the coral reefs are dying, and no one is helping. Don't you realize that you keep the oceans alive? This started back in 1985. So don't come to me when your child can't breathe or of what a tiger is, 'cause vaccine. Don't cry to me when your fuck code isn't clean. And the endangered list is now 41,416. Dear 2045, I don't think we're gonna survive. If you end up hearing this story, I just want to say I'm sorry. Or we can also use Ocean Hero, which all of you should all be doing right now. I got it from ads. And this is not our sponsor. It's not our sponsor, but we should be using it. We need to save Earth before it's too late. We need to save Earth. So download Ocean Hero. So just put in oceanhero.com. Add Ocean Hero to Chrome. And then you just click this. I already added it, but first let me do this. Yep. These are all facts. You want to add it and press keep it. Bye.